everyone, it's quiz time. Please prepare your science book and your pencils because for today's video, we're gonna have a 30-point quiz which you can find on page 92 to 95. For the direction, circle the letter of the correct answer. Circle the letter of the correct answer. Now if you're ready, let's begin. For number 1 question, what parts of the body are used for seeing? A. Eyebrows. B. Eyes. C. Eyelashes. I repeat, what parts of the body are used for seeing? A. Eyebrows. B. Eyes. C. Eyelashes. Circle the letter of the correct answer. For number 2, what is the function of the ears? What is the function of the ears? Is it A. Smelling, B. Seeing, C. Hearing? Circle the letter of the correct answer. Let's proceed to number 3. What parts of the body are used for tasting? What parts of the body are used for tasting? A. Lips, B. Tongue, C. Teeth. Circle the letter of the correct answer. Let's proceed to number 4. Without which parts would you not be able to hear? Without which parts would you not be able to hear? Is it A. Ears, B. Eyes, C. Hands? Circle the letter of the correct answer. For number 5, what part of the body controls other parts? What part of the body controls other parts? Is it A. Lungs, B. Heart, C. Brain? Number 6. Which part of the body work together when playing the piano? Which part of the body work together when playing the piano? Is it A. Arms, hands, and mouth? B. Eyes, nose, and mouth? C. Eyes, hands, and ears? Circle the letter of the correct answer. For number 7, if you close your eyes, which information can you not give? If you close your eyes, which information can you not give? A. Colors of flowers. B. Smells of flowers. C. Branches with thorns? Is it A, B, or C? For number 8, what parts of the body will be affected if you listen to loud music for a long time? What parts of the body will be affected if you listen to loud music for a long time? A. Ears, B. Eyes, C. Lungs? Let's proceed to number 9. Which is the proper way to take care of your body? A. Rubbing your eyes when dust gets into them. B. Blowing your nose gently. C. Taking an insect stuck in the ear out with an ear pick? Is it A, B, or C? For number 10, which is the proper way to take care of the eyes? Which is the proper way to take care of the eyes? A. Taking dust in the eye out with your fingers. B. Cleaning your eyes with clean water. C. Looking at the sun to relax your eyes? A, B, or C? For number 11, which is not a good way to take care of the body? Which is not a good way to take care of the body? A. Kang washes his hands. B. Nok clips her fingernails. C. Non bites his fingernails. Which is bad? A, B, or C? For number 12, we have the parts of the birds. As you can see, the parts of the birds are numbered from 1 to 3. The wing is numbered as 1. The feet is numbered as 2 and eyes as 3. So the question is, which part of a bird is used for flying? Is it A, 1, B, 2, C, 3? Which part of the bird is used for flying? Number 13. Which animal moves differently from the others? Which animal moves differently from the others? A, cow, B, frog, C, fish. Number 14. Here are the outer parts of 3 animals. So we have here a table. On the first column, we have the animal. We have 3 animals, 1, 2, and 3. On the second column, we have the outer parts of each animal. So animal 1 has fins and tail. Animal 2 has eyes, nose, ears, and legs. Animal 3 has mouth, legs, and wings. Now for the question, from the table, which animal suits water environment? So which animal lives in the water? Is it A, animal 1 who has fins and tail, B, animal 2 which has eyes, nose, ears, and legs, or C, animal 3 which has mouth, legs, and wings? Circle the letter of the correct answer. For number 15, here are functions of the other parts of a plant. Again, we have here a table wherein we can see that we have 3 other parts and their function on the second column. The first part's function, keep the plant upright. So what part is this? It's the stem. 1 is stem. What about number 2? It says here, make food. So which part makes food? It's leaves. And 3, reproduce. Which part reproduce? It's flowers. So number 1 is stems, number 2, leaves, number 3, flower. Now for question number 15, from the table, which part takes up water and minerals from the soil? Is it A, outer part 1 or the stem, B, outer part 2 or leaves, C, outer part 3 or flower? For number 16, from question 15, outer part 2 of which plant is different from the others? From question 15, outer part 2 of which plant is different from the others? Is it A, tomato plant, B, mango tree, C, cactus, which is not a fruit-bearing plant? Number 17, what is the plant in the picture below? Is it A, tomato plant, B, tamarind, C, chili plant? For number 18, Pong found the animal in the picture on the mango tree. What is this animal? A, red ant, B, scorpion, C, termite. Number 19, which animal live in a pond? A, butterfly, B, red ant, C, tadpole. Tadpole is the baby frog. Number 20, which living thing can be found on land? Which living thing can be found on land? A, water lily, B, algae, C, hibiscus. 21. Which group of animals live in the same place as seahorses? Seahorses live in the water, right? So, which group of animals also live in the water? A, zebras, lions, and elephants. B, tailor birds, toads, and crocodiles. C, clownfish, sharks, and sea crabs. A, B, or C. For number 22, where do most cows live? A, on grass fields, B, in water, C, on trees. For number 23, which part of ducks are adapted to suit the water environment? Which parts of ducks are adapted to suit the water environment? A. Webbed feet. B. Colorful skin. C. Hind legs longer than front legs. A, B, or C. For number 24, which is the food of squirrels? Which is the food of squirrels? Is it A, snake, B, worm, C, fruits? A, B, or C? Number 25. Dragonflies feed on small insects and lay their eggs in water. From the statement, where do they live? Dragonflies feed on small insects and lay their eggs in water. From the statement, where do they live? A. On deserts. B. By ponds. C. Underground. For number 26, Pia finds many lizards in his house area. They are feeding on insects. From the statement, which one is correct? A. Pia's house is dirty. B. There are a lot of insects in Pia's house area. C. There are many people in Pia's house. A, B, or C? For number 27, which one is incorrect about why birds live on trees? Which one is incorrect about why birds live on trees? A. Birds make nests for their chicks. B. Their food is on the trees. C. Birds feed on grass. A, B, or C? For number 28, which animals will be affected most if no grass in a field is left? Which animals will be affected most if no grass in a field is left? So which animal feeds on grass? Is it A, deer, B, lions, C, leopards? A, B, or C? Number 29, which activity can destroy the environment of water animals? Which activity can destroy the environment of water animals? A. Using water from the river to water plants. B. Letting used water into the river. C. Rowing your boat in the river. Which activity can destroy the environment of water animals? And for the last number, number 30, how does cutting trees affect the world? How does cutting trees affect the world? A. There is no food for animals left. B. Animals lose their homes. C. Both A and B are correct. Is it A, B, or C? How does cutting trees affect the world? Class, that's the end of our quiz. Now, these are the correct answers from numbers 1 to 30. I want everybody to please go over and check your answers. Then after that, please count your scores and write it on the small box just below number 30. I repeat, check your answers, count your scores, and write it on the small box below number 30. After doing that, please take a photo and send it to the line group. That's all for today. Thank you so much and have a great day.